am going to explain why do we get hiccups. When somebody hiccups, it is often remarked that he is being remembered by someone. Some people even go to the extent of saying that the person who is hiccuping has secretly eaten something. In fact, all these sayings are myths. It is just a reflex action of the body by which the body protects yourself. The question arises, why do we get hiccup? So let's go to the video. Hiccups are short, sharp and very sudden breaths of air which happen when our breathing muscle jogs, making us gasp. There is a diaphragm located between the chest and the stomach. While inhaling air, this diaphragm goes down and presses the stomach, due to which the lungs are filled with air. While exhaling air, the diaphragm goes up and the air comes out from the lungs. Thus the diaphragm goes up and down and the process of respiration continues instantly without making any sound. The diaphragm functions like a piston. But sometimes, due to the formation of gas or increase of acidity in the stomach, the diaphragm gets irritated and as a result contracts suddenly. In such a situation, the air passing into the lungs experiences obstruction and makes a peculiar sound. This is nothing but the hiccup. Therefore, it is a process by which the body tries to expel gas or undesirable food material out of the stomach so that respiration remains unobstructed. So hiccups can be caused by eating or drinking too much or too fast. So I hope you all understand this video and why do we get hiccup. So if anyone asks, you can talk to anybody that how hiccup is formed. So I'll come with next video. Stay tuned. This is Miss Sonia signing on. Bye. Stay safe and enjoy your day at home.